Hello and welcome back to our video series on Power BI Basics. If you're new to this series, we're teaching you how to use just the basics of Power BI from the ground up, and we're covering everything from start to finish. Alright, today we're going to be covering a high-level overview of cards in Power BI. So let's take a look at how you insert a card. So just like any other visual, you can click this new visual button right here, or you can double click to insert a card. Right now, there's currently two card visuals in Power BI. There's the original card video, which is this icon right here, and then there's the new card visual, which is this icon right here. So I'm going to insert in the original card. And if you're interested in getting this Power BI file, there's the sales and return sample V2019-12. And if you Google and if you search this is a sample that's available from Microsoft. It'll come up, it's on their GitHub, and you can download it. So the card visual, what you can go ahead and you can do is you can insert in a measure. So in this case, let's insert in an analysis. So like let's go net sales, for example. And it'll go ahead and it'll populate. And you can shrink this and stack it. And you can do all kinds of fun little things with it. There's also this new card visual. The new card visual, if you double click it, has a bunch of additional functionality. So it allows you to display multiple measures inside it. Where the original card visual, if I drag in a new visual, it won't let me do this. There's also a bunch of additional filtering available in them. But if you just want something simple, you probably should just start with the original card visual. So let's jump into some of the quick formatting options. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click Format. If you click Format, let's look at some of the formatting options on the original one. So you have the size and style, you have the background, you have padding, you have visual border. So in that case, we could turn that on, or we could turn off the background, right? So it's now transparent. You'll have a title that you can turn on. So you can add a visual title. You'll have a callout value that you can add. So, a callout value that you can format. So that's this value right here. So if we wanted to decrease this, right, you'll see we just shrank it. And then you'll also have a label. So that's this net sales, and you can change the coloring of that label. And you can do some fun formatting stuff here with conditional formatting right here, which is something we'll cover in an upcoming video. So the new card visual, I have done a deep dive video on how to use this and how to use some of the more advanced formatting options. So I'm not going to go too far into it, but it allows you to do or add in additional values or labels and detail. So not only do you now have the size, the style, and the layout functionality where you can actually go through and you can customize some of this, you also can define overflow. So like if there's a scroll, right? So you can scroll through them. You can also define call out values. So you could specifically go in and you could define a label, for example. And then you can also define in reference labels. So for example, in here, if I wanted to go and add this in, right, I now will have a reference label right there. All right, so that's cards. They're a simple, easy way to display a metric in your report. Again, there's a lot more to unpack here with cards, and these are just meant to be brief introduction videos. So I'm not going to go deep into the formatting. But if you do have any specific questions, leave your questions in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about Power BI Basics or watching some of our more in-depth videos where we really dive in, subscribe. Thanks for watching.